How to speed up any internet connection on Windows. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys few methods to boost up your internet speed on your PC. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up your Run dialog box by pressing Windows and R key. And here what you're going to do is just search for ncpa.cpl. Just hit enter and your network connection settings will open up. Now here you'll have to find Wi-Fi and then right click on it. Then you just have to head over to properties. So once you open up your properties, you'll have different options here. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that the IPv4 is selected and make sure that this box is checked right here. Click on OK and then you're good to go. The second method is to again open up your properties right here, and then from here what you're going to do is go ahead and click on configure, and now another window will pop up. Make sure that this is the wireless adapter of your laptop, and then head over to advanced settings. Now on the advanced tab you will find different options, so what you need to do is go ahead and find this one right here. So just go ahead and tap on roaming aggressiveness and make sure that this is selected to medium low or lowest, because if you are close to your router you don't need much of roaming aggressiveness. You can keep it on the low and it will help you significantly boost your internet connection. Now once you have done that, you can just go ahead and press OK. Now the next thing that you're going to go ahead and do is click on preferred band, and here make sure that you select the 5 GHz band, and once you do that it will help you get the 5G connections if they are available and help you boost up your speed. Now once you have done everything, click on OK. And then just go ahead and restart your computer once and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.